Hi, welcome to Professor Kev Show. I got my friend Wendy with us today from UMass Lowell. We're going to talk about the RHED program. Hi, Wendy. Welcome to the
Hi
show.
there. Nice to
So,
be
where do we
here.
start
Thank
at the
you.
beginning? What is the RHED program?
Okay, the RED program is technically called RiverHawk Experience Distinction. It's the short name is RED. It's an opportunity for students to take a personal interest they might have and blend it with their academics, and they get a credential outcome at the end on their transcript. It sort of opens the door for students to have a focus that they're interested in, a personal focus and interest, and then, but those things aren't always addressed in your course of study. So we often say the easiest way to think about it is a mini minor. It's not a mini minor, but that's the best way to help understand what it is. And all undergraduates are welcome. All colleges, all majors, anyone that's an undergrad student can join.
Nice.
There are 5 personal distinctions you can choose from. So we have leadership, entrepreneurship, community engagement, global engagement, and sustainability. So if you think about it, you can't really get a major in any of those. You can't become a major, have a major in leadership,
Yep.
right? But that's a lot of students are interested in becoming leaders in whatever their field is. A lot of students are interested in sustainability. They might be an engineer, they might be a nurse, they might be a history major, but this is a way for them to take a personal interest and then blend it with their coursework. It kind of adds, the way I like to look at it with the students is it adds breadth to their experience here at UMass Lowell, not just depth in their area of study.
So, you kind of answered the next question already, but why would a student want to earn that distinction?
So, so yeah, it is answering the previous question, but also on top of that, they get out because it has an experience component. They get to go out into the outside the classroom. They get to have real world hands-on experience in whatever distinction they're working on, which helps them have a story to tell. And one of the biggest things you can have in an interview, or even if you're applying to graduate school after you're done here, is there's this big question: what can you offer us that another candidate can't? And this RED story is so powerful and so unique that is another reason why students would want to get RED. I mean, it's also on your official transcript. You get an academic cord to wear at commencement. There's a big certificate, all the fun stuff as well. But it's a no-brainer for somebody that has an interest in one of these 5 areas.
So now, how do they go about earning the distinction? Is there a minimum amount of time they have to put into it? How does it all work?
Okay, so they can do it over the full course of their career at UMass Lowell. They have the whole 4 years. They sign up for RED, and you take 2 pre-approved courses in that distinction, like 2 leadership courses, 2 entrepreneurship courses, and there are hundreds of courses available. You also then participate in these 2 experiences, outside the classroom experiences. And then the goal is they write a reflection on each one of these components. So they have the chance then to reflect, think about it, process it, synthesize things with their major, think about where it's going to take them next. So that's the process. That's what's required. 2 courses, 2 experiences, and reflections.
Now, I know the next question is not as simple as I want it to be, but we use the word experience. What is an experience? What qualifies? How do I
Okay,
know if it qualifies?
great question. So we do have a list of pre-approved experiences for each distinction on the website. It's anything outside the classroom, basically. But honestly, the students at UMass Lowell are so creative and unique that we work with them to bring their experiences that they've done in their life to the program, so they can bring their own. They don't have to use just our list. There are so many experiences; it's impossible to list them. Everything from working at the mayor's office to working at being in student government. It's just the list is incredible because our students are incredible. They just have so many great things they're involved in.
So, Wendy, what's the process of applying? You met all the criteria, believe you did. How do I go about applying?
So a student would go to the website, the RED website, look around. There's you can see the courses, the experiences. You can kind of get an idea of what each distinction is. And then there's a little blue button that says sign up. So you hit the blue button, pick your distinction, and then submit. It submits, and then I meet with every single student that signs up for RHED, and we plan out their whole path together. I don't. We do everything together. They're not off on their own, and we have plenty of time to do it because they have until graduation to complete.
That's what's nice and stuff. I just like how inclusive it is, where like it's open to everyone. Like you said, this isn't just, hey, you have to be in this college or this major. That's what makes
Right.
it kind of neat and stuff. So now, if
Yeah.
people still have further questions, Wendy, what's the best way to learn more?
So they can email the RHED email, red@uml.edu. They can also email me directly. I am happy to have that. They can, yeah, that's the best way. It's just to email us and then I'll get in touch with them and answer any questions they have.
Awesome. Wendy, I do appreciate taking a few minutes to come on the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you.